Good evening, ABR Market Watch viewers, and welcome back to our channel. Today's market story is one that showcases a fascinating dichotomy, with the Indian realty sector surging by up to 3.2%, its highest intraday gain in 3 months, while the broader markets treaded cautiously ahead of the anticipated US Federal Reserve rate cut this week. The Nifty Realty Index, all 10 constituents of which posted gains, saw a boost from increased core profit margins, land capital expenditure, and the removal of height restrictions in Noida by the Uttar Pradesh government. Analysts predict that these factors, coupled with a moderation in house price increases, could benefit sales in the sector. However, despite this positive momentum, the Realty Index has seen a 14% decline for 2025 thus far, underperforming the benchmark Nifty 50 Index's 6.1% rise. Moving on to the broader markets, the Nifty 50 and Sensex dipped 0.18% and 0.15%, respectively, ending an 8-session winning streak for the Nifty. The IT sector was the biggest drag with a 0.6% fall, while other sectors advanced, led by realty shares up 2.4%. Despite tightening liquidity due to foreign outflows and promoter selling, analysts remain optimistic about recovery in the coming days, citing potential stimulus from a Fed rate cut and progress in US-India trade talks. The Indian rupee remains steady at 88.21 against the US dollar, reflecting a balancing act between external pressures and domestic factors. The benchmark 10-year bond yield rose by 1 BP to 6.4963%, reflecting anticipation of the upcoming Fed policy decision. Overnight index swaps were flat, while call money rates hovered around 5.2%. As we approach the week's end and await the Fed's policy decision, it's essential to remember that market volatility is a part of investing. But as always, we'll be here to help you navigate these waters and make informed decisions. So, stay tuned for more updates and insights on ABR Market Watch. Until then, take care and happy investing.